everyone, welcome to Homelux and welcome to our latest video where we explore the latest office design and decorating ideas. As more people are working from home, it's important to create a comfortable and productive workspace that helps to boost creativity and productivity. In this video, we will be showing you some of the latest and greatest design trends that are taking the world by storm. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1, minimalist design. The first office design trend we are going to take a look at is minimalist design. This is a clean and modern look that is characterized by simple lines, neutral colors, and a lack of clutter. To achieve this look, you will need to choose furniture that is sleek and modern and choose a color palette that is neutral such as black, white, and grey. You can add some pops of color through accessories like a vase of flowers or a colorful throw pillow. Number 2, natural lighting. Another important aspect of office design is lighting. Natural lighting is a great way to create a comfortable and productive workspace. If possible, try to position your desk near a window to take advantage of natural light. You can also add some task lighting like a desk lamp or a pendant light to help you focus on your work. Number 3, greenery. Incorporating plants into your office design can help to boost creativity and productivity. Adding some greenery to your workspace can help to improve air quality, reduce stress, and provide a calming atmosphere. You can choose a variety of plants such as herbs or flowering plants, depending on your style and the amount of light in your workspace. Number 4, functionality. When it comes to office design, functionality is key. You want to choose furniture and accessories that are both functional and stylish. For example, choose a desk that has a ample storage space and a comfortable chair that will help you stay focused and productive. You can also add some organized tools like a built-in board or a file cabinet to help keep your workspace clutter-free. Number 5, homey touches. You want to add some homey touches to your office design. This means incorporating elements that make your workspace feel like home, such as a cozy throw blanket, a comfortable chair, or some artwork. You can also choose a wall color that you love and add some personal touches like family photos or artwork to make your workspace feel like your own. Number 6, artwork. Artwork can be a great way to add some personality to your office design. You can choose pieces that reflect your personal style or showcasing your interest. For example, you might choose abstract painting, photographs, or even sculpture pieces. Artwork can also be a great way to break up a neutral color scheme and add some color to your workspace. Number 7. Another way to add some visual interest to your office design by incorporating wall murals. This can be a great option if you have a large wall that you would like to make a statement with, but wall murals can be anything from a landscape to an abstract design. You can even have a custom mural created that's specific to your office design and decorating theme. Number 8. Multi-purpose furniture. Multi-purpose furniture is a great way to maximize the space in your office while also incorporating style and function. For example, you might choose a desk that doubles as a storage unit or a coffee table that can also serve as a work surface. This type of furniture is not only stylish but also practical, allowing you to make the most of your workspace. Number 9. Tech-friendly design. Finally, it's important to consider the role of technology in your office design. You want to choose furniture and accessories that are tech friendly and make it easy to stay connected. For example, you might choose a desk with built-in charging ports or a keyboard tray that make it easy to work on your laptop. You can also choose accessories like a table stand that help you stay organized and efficient. Number 10. Adding storage. Having enough storage is essential in any office, and it's important to make sure you have enough space to keep all your files, documents, and supplies organized. Consider adding a bookshelf, a cabinet, or even using drawers under your desk to maximize your storage space. Number 11. Adding accents. Accents such as rugs, curtains, and decorative objects can help add texture and personality to your office. Choose items that match your personal style and complement your color scheme. You can also add a vase of fresh flowers or a bowl of fruit to add a touch of nature to your workspace. Number 12. Creating a color scheme. One of the first things to consider when designing your office is the color scheme. Choosing the right color can help create a calm and relaxing environment that's perfect for focusing and getting work done. Consider using a neutral color palette such as blues, greens, or grays, or option for a bold accent ball to add a pop of colors. Number 13. Comfort is key when it comes to your office space, and that's why it's important to invest in furniture from adjustable desks and chairs to wrist supports and footrest. These items can help prevent discomfort and strain on your body while you work. Number 14. Utilize wall space. Don't let your walls go to waste. Utilize your wall space to create a functional and stylish office. Install shelves or a built-in board to keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Or add a gallery wall to display your favorite photos, artwork, or inspiration boards. Number 15. Choosing the right lighting. Proper lighting is crucial for your office as it can impact your productivity, mood, and overall well being. Consider installing a combination of overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create space that's suitable for different tasks and activities. Number 16. Creating a functional workspace. Ergonomics is key in creating a functional workspace as it helps to reduce fatigue and improve posture. When choosing furniture, look for pieces that are adjustable and can be easily adapted to your individual needs. For example, a desk with adjustable height, a chair with lumbar support, and a mouse pad with wrist support can all help to reduce discomfort and improve your overall well being. Number 17. Adding plants. Plants not only bring life and energy to your office, they also have numerous benefits for your health and well being. Plants can help to reduce stress, increase productivity, and improve air quality. Consider adding a few potted plants to your workspace and choose varieties that are easy to care for and can thrive in low light. Number 18. Making the most of your space. It's important to make the most of your space by considering the layout and flow of your office. Think about the furniture placement, the traffic patterns, and the overall functionality of the space. Consider using multifunctional furniture such as a desk with built-in storage or a bookshelf that doubles as a room divider to maximize your space. So here are tips for office design and decorating. Number 1. Start with a plan. Before you start shopping for furniture and decor, make a plan for your office space. Measure the room, determine your needs and budget, and think about the look and feel you want to create. Number 2. Consider ergonomics. Invest in ergonomic furniture and equipment that will help you work comfortably and prevent strain and injury. Number 3. Utilize wall space. Maximize your space by using the walls for storage and display. Consider installing shelves, cabinets, or wall organizer to keep your office organized and clutter-free. Number 4. Stay organized. Keep your office organized by using containers, trays, or other tools to keep your workspace tidy and functional. Number 5. Think about storage. Plan for adequate storage space to help you keep your office clutter-free and organized. Number 6. Make it comfortable. Add a few personal touches to make your office comfortable, such as a throw pillow, a cozy blanket, or a plant. Number 7. Get creative. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different designs, colors, and styles to find what works best for you. Number 8. Don't forget the details. Don't forget the little details like lighting, curtains, or artwork that can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your office. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many office design and decorative ideas that you can consider. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different designs and styles until you find what works best for you. With a little bit of effort, you can create an office that's functional, stylish, and perfect for you. Thank you for watching and happy decorating. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for my channel for more videos.